Happy Saturday, wait, it's March 8th? I don't know the exact date. It's March already. It's been kind of mild out, temperature-wise. Today was, I think, like 52. Went out with some friends, got some Chick-fil-A, went to IKEA. But I've been so busy with work and things that I haven't been recording videos lately. But a couple days ago, I got this box of auctions I won from EJ's Auctions, which is a fantastic auction house. If you guys want to look at all different types of things, anything you could possibly want, EJ's Auctions has them. And the best thing about EJ's Auctions is actually that they have a wide gamut of things that you can make profit on if you buy them. Most of Auction Zip is loaded up with like coins and things, which is for collectors of coins. That's great, but I don't want to collect coins. So EJ's Auctions, long story short, has great variety of things you can purchase. Anyway, this is an unboxing video, and I got an auction box in the mail the other day, and I'm excited to show you guys what I got. Here we are. This is the box. It's quite heavy. Now, I did some research before I bought this. I've gotten myself into trouble in the past by not researching things, which you all are well aware of, and thinking they were going to sell, and they haven't, and thinking they were going to sell, and they're actually forbidden items. I didn't know that I couldn't sell expired supplements, which I guess just, it makes sense now that I think about it, but these weren't over the counter, or these weren't, behind the counter. These were over the counter, or like, just supplements that are for gut health and things. I didn't realize that I wasn't able to sell those on eBay, and unfortunately, I lost a lot of money doing that. So I learned my lesson there. This is not one of those things. So let us see. And we can see with I think the classic, there aren't classic pink peanuts in this one from EJ's, but what there are is a bunch of movie trailers. That's right. I bought a bunch of 8mm, I think, and not technically vintage, but a ton of 8mm trailers. This one here is Epic Movie. I'm going to go through all of these for you guys here. This one is Seraphim Falls. Now, these aren't the movies, these are just the movie trailers, and these are on 8mm, I believe. And I'll show you guys a screen grab after this of me kind of going through and showing you other auctions that are online right now. We've got Evan Almighty. So these are from the early 2000s, it looks like. This one is, let's see, Night of the Living Dead 3D. So this is a Green Band trailer. Night of the Living Dead 3D. Midnight Movies. What have we got here? This one is Fracture. And this is final trailer number 1 for Fracture, New Line Cinema. Green Band. I know there's Red Band trailers that are like special that come out at Comic-Con, and I'm not sure the difference between Red Band and Green Band. Lars and the Real Girl. And we have got, let's see, what's this one? The Reaping. I don't know what that movie is. Let's see here. We've got Knocked Up trailer. Seth Rogen and Charlize Theron. Running Scared. I don't know what that's about. Sounds like a horror movie. Eagle versus Shark. I don't know if that's a nature film. I worry that one's not going to sell because it's a random title. This one is The Invisible, which I think is a current film that's really good on Netflix. Are We Done Yet? It sounds like a horrible family rom-com. She's the Man. I Think I Love My Wife. All right. A lot of these I've not heard of. I bought this lot because there were a few that I had. Hostel Part 2. Little itty-bitty trailer there. What else do we got here? Another small one. These must be short trailers. Hairspray. Now, actual movie rolls, like the film rolls, I believe, are like massive in comparison to the trailers. These are small, obviously, because they're like 2 to 3 minute trailers. This one is Wild Hogs. I believe that's got Cuba Gooding Jr. and, okay. Good Luck Chuck. We got here. No Reservations. I only know the Anthony Bourdain TV show by that name. I don't know of a movie by that name. Cold Mountain. Freaking love that movie. Love it. The Lookout. I don't know what that is. That could be about a lighthouse or like a bank robber. Home on the Range. It sounds like a Golden Retriever type Disney movie, but again, I have zero idea. Premonition. Ooh. And here we have got Hot Fuzz. This is one of the reasons I bought this box. That's a classic film. If you haven't seen it, you need to check it out. Undisputed. Sounds like a fight movie. This one is Pathfinder. I don't know what that is. I have a feeling these are going to sit on eBay for a while, but we'll see. Rush Hour 3. It's classic. I've only seen the first two, I think, though. The Kingdom. I kind of want to get a film projector now to watch these. The Devil Inside, Green Band trailer. I'm not sure what that is. I don't know what The Devil Inside is. It sounds like a rom-com. Lols. And we've got 30 Days of Night, which I enjoyed, actually. I think that's an Ethan Hawke movie. I'm going to look back at this and be completely wrong in every single thing here. Another Knocked Up trailer. And finally, The Messengers with Alpha Dog. So I think this is 2 trailers. Could be. And this is from... It's cool. It's interesting. They've got skew. They've got like long UPC numbers on them. So these must be treated like tracking. You can track them with the UPC code. Anyway, these are going to go up on eBay. It's a lot of auctions to create, but it's going to be pretty simple photography, honestly. And then the only thing that's going to be variance is the weight. Ideally, these would all fall under 1 pound, but I know they're not going to, so I could do free first-class mail shipping, but I don't think that's going to be the case. This one alone feels more than a pound. Oh, 14 ounces. I actually can ship this in first-class mail. The only problem is that, oh, you can see through it. That's really cool. Look at that. You can see my fingers through it. The only problem is that this is pretty fragile. So I'd want to wrap it up in like bubble wrap at least, and then put it in a container, and that might take up that additional 2 ounces. So I'm trying my hardest to keep it at like 15.8 ounces, which 16 ounces, you're at a pound. But a lot of these, you know, and then they go priority mail. So this is 5 ounces, which is nuts that that's 5, and this one was almost that much. This one is 7. So I think 13.5. The majority of these are going to be skirting that fine line between priority mail and first class mail, and I'm going to have to make that, either calculate that into my price or eat the cost. Let's see what this box cost me here. I'm going to do this on camera. This box cost me $15, and so $18 total with the buyer's premium. Oh, you can see that here. And the shipping was about $35. So about $50 for the box. I've got, let's count these. Let's count them and put them back in. So I've got 1, this is the fun part of the video, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So if I sell these for $10 a piece, that's about $300. So, and if I sell them for more, obviously it's even better, but spent about $50 on this box. I'm hoping to list these for $300 to $400 total over time. So it's going to be a decent profit. So I'm excited.